All right, Rankin family, so we have a Historymaker home. Now, this one is in Fulshear Lakes in Fulshear, Texas. This one is the first time I have actually brought a Historymaker property to the channel, but I absolutely love this one and I thought you would love it as well. So this one is going to be the Cypress. You're going to have a little under 3,000 square feet. As you notice, that beautiful covered front porch. Right to the right would be converted into the garage. Of course, this is the model house, so that's one thing to definitely keep in mind. So this will be your first bedroom right here. As you can tell, you can utilize this one as a study if you want to. It does have the closet in there, but a lot of folks would possibly just go ahead and make it a guest bedroom. So you do have plenty of space inside of here. I'll make sure to open up the closet so that way you can see you do have adequate space. It's not a walk-in, but you definitely have enough storage for a wardrobe. And of course, you have your full-size bathroom right here. You have that shower tub combo with the stainless steel shower head. And I'll showcase right here. You got the stainless steel lighting fixture as well with the gray cabinetry. And if you notice in here, you do have that wood-like tile as well and carpet in the bedrooms. So we'll go ahead and go this way. You have your utility room right here. You have plenty of space to walk in here. I love the upgraded storage up here. You could just put some clothes or linens after you get done. You could just fold that and put that up there. And then you have this little space right here. Right across the hall, you do have this large oversized closet, perfect for putting decorations. If you don't want to put it in the attic, you can just put it right here, and that way you'll be good to go. And then now we'll go ahead and go into the great room. So you do have these high ceilings right here. You have quite a bit of windows for natural light. I love this little accent deal right here. And if it's something where you want a fireplace, we could see about other options and other alternatives for you if that's what you want. But I'll pan right here so you can see. You do have that second story. We'll head up there in a minute. And then this is looking at the kitchen. I love the cabinet crowns on top right there. You do have these quartz countertops. You definitely have plenty of space on your island. I love the sleek look. Sometimes we may see the farmhouse sink, but I think that sleek look right there is fantastic. All right. And then we'll go ahead and open up the pantry. So you definitely have a decent amount of space inside of here. It's not one of those oversized ones, but it definitely gives you enough space to do what it's designed for. And then I'll pan right here. And then I love the breakfast nook area right here. You have plenty of space. I mean, look at the table. It's almost like a nice sized dining room table. And that just kind of gives you a basis of how much space you have. And then now what we'll do is we'll go ahead and head to the primary bedroom. And you do have carpet inside of here. So you don't have the high ceilings, but you do have the recessed lighting that we so much love. You do have the plush carpeting in here, which is great. If you ever do put carpet inside of the bedrooms, I highly suggest that plush carpet just because it gives it more of that cozy feel. It has that cozy element to it. And then this will be your walk-in primary bath. So you have your dual sinks with your oversized mirror and your lighting fixtures right there. I would definitely put a mirror frame right there just to give it a nice sleek look. You got your stainless steel faucets right there. You have a nice sized tub with the walk-in shower right there. And then of course you got your toilet area right here, as well as your walk-in closet. So in my opinion right now, this is something that if you don't want to break the bank, but you do definitely want luxury and you want elegance, this may be perfect for you. Like I mentioned in the beginning, this is a Historymakers. And I'll pan one more time right here. And let's go ahead and go to the second floor. You got carpet going up the stairs right here. I like this large size window, just adds some natural light again inside of here. And then we'll head upstairs, and this will be your attic right here. So you can put the rest of the Christmas decorations and the Thanksgiving decorations. A lot of times, a lot of people don't decorate much for Thanksgiving. They don't get that much love as compared to Christmas. You got a nice full-size bathroom again in here. Woodlock tile extends in here as well, shower tub combo. This will be your third bedroom. And I love that you have access to the second story balcony. You can imagine your guests coming in here and having some coffee. That'll be perfect. And then what I'll do is show you the balcony. Okay. Look how gorgeous this is. And the one good thing is about this balcony is they didn't skimp on any space whatsoever. Here, look, I'll sit down for you guys. We're to just kind of kick back, relax. This would be your view. Of course, this is the model house. They'll eventually sell it off, but you even have some walking trails over there. Look how nice that would be early in the morning, watching the sunrise. That's perfect. Let's go ahead and go back inside. So this would be perfect. And then coming back out into the game room, you have another little storage closet right here. Let's go ahead and go to the fourth bedroom, which is right here. So like I said, I mean, the good thing is you do have a lot of space in here, and that's definitely what I'm noticing. This would be perfect. I mean, you have 5 bedrooms. The plan usually comes with 4 bedrooms, but you have that option to possibly build or at least include the 5th bedroom. So if you only want 4, that's okay. You can make that other room an office. But some people, depending on the size of your family and your budget, you may want that as a 5th bedroom. So you got the Jack and Jill right here. And as we're taking a look at this, folks, if you are a returning viewer, welcome back. Always great to have you. And if this is your first time to the channel, my name is Marcus Rankin. I am a Texas realtor. I get calls, texts, and emails every single week from folks looking to make a move out here. So if you are in that bucket now or in the future, you can reach out to the information below. We'll get you taken care of. And I highly suggest you consider hitting that subscribe button. I'd love for you to become a part of the Rankin family. And that way, you know when I drop a video every single week. All right, so this will be your 5th and final bedroom. The one thing we haven't seen a lot is the section right here. So if you notice, instead of it being like a full square, you have this angled closet right here, which is definitely unique. I like that. And then you have a decent amount of space inside of here. This one's locked. Oh, no, it's not locked. Okay. And then you have another access right here. Most folks would just go ahead and keep this locked. But if you want more storage area, that'd be perfect for you. And then I'll pan one more time so that way you can see. And I did kind of skip over the game room earlier, so I'll do one more pan. Fantastic. And then you do have another closet right here. So perfect. And then this will be overlooking your great room right here. This is what you're working with. And then let's go ahead and take a look at the backyard. So the good thing is you do have that covered backyard patio. Some folks may not think that's important, but especially how the weather is out here in Fulshear and the greater Houston area, it's so unpredictable that when it's raining, it'd definitely be nice to go in the backyard. And especially if you're entertaining folks and the weather is not too good, that's perfect. And you definitely have plenty of space inside of here. You have enough room in here if you ever want to just build a grill out here or just go buy one at Home Depot, which most folks do, then that'll be perfect for you. And this is what we're looking like in the backyard, and I'll pan to the back of the property. And that, folks, is Historymaker Homes. All right, Rankin family, so that was the Historymaker Homes right here in Fulshear Lakes. I hope you love this model. Of course, they do have inventory, different floor plans that can meet any needs that you have. So if you do want more information, I have all of it in the description below, and I'll see you folks on the next property tour.